A quick tour of phpwebunit. What is phpwebunit? Well, basically, it's a web wrapper for phpunit. And basically, the idea came from Simpletest. I don't know if you've used Simpletest, but you get this really cool green-red bar when your tests pass or fail. I kind of wanted to mimic that, but I wanted it to be PHP unit test because that's kind of the de facto standard. So, anyways, just to show you quickly, if you go to my GitHub account, github.com/kcmerrill, and you go check out my repositories, you can find one, the PHP web unit. And you'll notice my screen is kind of squished because I want to show you what I was talking about and how this works and kind of how my workflow goes. Now, of course, my monitor is a bit bigger than the screen recording size, so bear with me here. But as you can see here, this is basically what it looks like in the browser. The green bar indicates that you have a passing test. Red bar indicates you have a failing test. And these are, again, on the back end run through phpunit. So you're actually getting phpunit, but you're getting a nice simple green for pass, red for fail. So the other great thing about all of this is that with the live edit modes in most modern IDEs, brackets for one, NetBeans, here I'm using PHP Storm, basically as you type, as you save, you can automatically run your unit tests, which is pretty sweet. Not that opening up a console and rerunning the tests every now and then isn't a pain in the butt, but this is actually really cool because you get instant feedback as to whether or not your tests are passing. So I wanted to show you a quick demo. So here we go. Basically, what I've got is the live plugin for PHP Storm, and I'm going to open up a Chrome for this test I have here called the logger test. Now, what I can do is I'll just set real quick just to show you one that fails. So I'll just do an assert false here, and I'll put true in. And as you can see here, my tests fail. And again, if you had more real estate on your monitor, you could actually expand this out to be whatever you need to, so you don't have to scroll every time. But as you can see here, failed asserting that true is false on line 121. And I don't have my line numbers displayed, but it's this one here. So if I just put this back to false, you'll see here now that my test passed. Even more cooler than that is that if you go into other files, as long as you save and type, you'll get the same results, which is a really neat side effect if you ask me, because here I'll just do this as an example here. If I do this return false here, that should, of course that's not going to break my test. Let's see here. Let me do a better one here. Return false. There we go. So as you can see there, I added the stream and returned false, and of course that definitely should break my test, and it did. So you can actually live edit other files and actually have your unit test run. And again, to me that's just a really great benefit of the live edit view. So again, phpwebunit, check me out on GitHub. It's also on Packagist. So if you have any questions, comments, concerns, I'd love feedback. So feel free and give me a shout. So thanks, I appreciate it. Bye.